Hello, Future Entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we've made it to day number 159 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. All right, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn income, a steady income, doing so within 1 year of doing it. All right, guys. So, if you guys want to go back and watch these previous videos from the beginning of this challenge, be my guest to go back and watch those videos so that way you can kind of get an idea of how it all started, where we're going, and then where we are right now, right? So we've made it to day number 159, right? Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service. They provide 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 leads or 200 leads. All right. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. All right. So if you only have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. If you have two accounts, one of those accounts will get 200 and the other will get 100. Okay. If you get a sign up underneath your second account, you will get 200 leads on both accounts. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is that you can stack your accounts. So you can have multiple accounts and you can sign up under yourself. Okay. Which is pretty cool. All right. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now, maybe three and a half, close to 3.5 years now. I totally love the service. I mean, I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. Now, this traffic is cold traffic. So these people do have to get warmed up to kind of what you're doing. All right. So I just wanted to put that out there. Right. This is not like you're going to some solo ad company. You can, create an email or give them your link. They create the email for you, and you send out an email blast to a hot list, and you get sales overnight. All right, that's not what this is. This is just a little bit different. Now, these leads that are coming in, these are business opportunity leads. All right, so these people care about making money online. All right. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we find opportunities that are related to making money. Okay. So if you find a business offer and it's talking about making money, you can basically create an email around that offer that you're promoting. And you can come here and you can import the email here, insert your affiliate link, and then send that out to this list. And you will get traffic, guys, get leads, and then in the result, I mean, in the end, get purchases, sales, pretty much. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Just the back office, just a little bit about it. You're going to have these tabs coming across here. Your back office is going to look exactly like mine. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. We're all sending out emails differently. Okay. There's going to be two ways to earn income with My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. Number one is to promote the email service itself. Okay. You can literally come here, you can create an email, and you can, insert this link in your email, and that email will go out to this list, and it'll promote this program, which is the My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, and you will get leads, sales, and things like that from promoting this. Okay, you also have free email swipes. If you go to affiliates, go to promo tools. There's some pre-written email swipes that convert really well. So you can come here, click on import. Actually, there's quite a few emails here, but you can pick one of these emails or just start from number one and just go all the way down and send all of them. And then click on select all right here. What that does, whenever you select an email from over here, it brings the email to the mailing system so that way you can send the email out. You click select all. That'll select all of the emails and it'll bring them over there. And it already has a subject line for you ready to go, and then also has a body of text. Okay, so you come right here, here's the body of text, and then down here is going to be your affiliate link, which is going to be right here. So all we got to do is click on perfect timing, come down here and click on send. I've already sent my emails out for today. You can send one email every 24 hours with this service. Okay, so every single day you can come in here and send out your email. Me personally, I like sending out my emails at night. Okay. So you can do yours in the morning, early in the morning, afternoon, late at night, however you want to do it. But me personally, I just like sending them out late at night because it just works well for me. Okay, in my schedule. Okay. So this is one of the income activities that I do online to earn income. I do got multiple sources of income, but this is one that is super easy to do. I did want to create a video series around this, okay, because a lot of people can do this and earn extra income online. All right, this is not some get rich quick scheme, okay. So you're not going to send out an email and just make thousands of dollars next week, okay. That's not what this is. This is a actually sustainable business. Okay. You come in, you do the work every single day. You build up the traffic, you build up the clicks to your affiliate link, and it's all just the numbers games. The more clicks you get to your link, okay, the more chances you have to get in the sale. Okay. It's just that simple. All right. So there's nothing complicated about this at all. You create an email, you put your affiliate link in the email and you click send. It's just that easy, okay? So I've already sent out my emails tonight. Like I said, I got 8 different accounts. I send out all my emails and all 8 of my accounts every single night, okay? And it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send those emails out. It doesn't take a lot of time at all. So you can know that you can come in here and spend about 5, 10 minutes on this business and earn income. Okay. So that's pretty cool. This is probably the one of the only businesses that I know that where you can earn income, a pretty steady income by spending about 5 to 10 minutes sending emails. Okay. So it's just that easy. All right. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with the system. That's promoting the My Legion secret system. Okay. The other way is going to be using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus. They got Max Bounty. They got tons of different CPA offer networks out there. If you guys want to go out and explore. But those top networks, the Warrior Plus, the JV Zoos, and the ClickBanks, okay, those are going to be the main ones. Okay. And Max Bounty is a very popular CPA network. But that one does take some time to get into that program. Okay, they just don't let anybody in. All right. So ClickBank is one of those networks that you can go to. I've been with ClickBank over a century. Okay, so that kind of tells you how old I am. But I've been with them over a century, guys, and I can tell you that I've made money with ClickBank for a long time. Okay, so they've been around and they're not going anywhere. Okay, so that's going to be one of the networks I would recommend to you first, and that because also but two because that traffic responds the best is ClickBank traffic. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there. So the other way is going to be using the network like ClickBank, okay, and that's what we're using for this series. So ClickBank has a section called e-business e-marketing section. You can go and promote their business opportunity offers, and they have free email swipes that you can use. You pretty much go grab their free email swipes. You grab the subject line, like we did on sending it, just the same as sending out anything else. Okay, they have the subject line where you go grab the subject line and then they have the body of text where you go grab the text. Okay. So it's very easy to do. All right. So that's going to be the other way that you make money online. Okay. Now, one of those emails from the ClickBank network. So it will look something like this. Okay. So it has a subject line that's ready for you. So you would just copy the subject line from the offer. And then you come down here and you copy the email. Okay. And then you come down here and you insert your affiliate link right here where it says apply to click here. You make this a clickable link. Okay. Once our prospects click on that, okay, it takes them to our affiliate page, and our the affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. All we have to do as affiliate marketers, all we got to do is get our prospects there. That's all we have to do, guys. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And that's how those are the two popular ways to make money online. All right. With this company, My Legion Secret. All right, so I would recommend you guys getting started. I mean, like I said, it is a no-brainer, guys. I mean, I'm not sure why you wouldn't do this, okay? Because like I said, I've been doing it for a few years now, and it's working for me, okay? And if it's working for me for all this time, it can work for you. I'm no one different from you. I'm just someone that, when it comes to doing stuff, I hold myself accountable, and I have, a relentless kind of attitude. So basically, when I get to doing something, if I learn how to do it, I'm just going to keep doing it till I see success in it. See success in it, okay? So, and that's all I did, guys. All I did was with this particular method. All I did was see somebody else do it and copy what they did. That's all I did. Okay. And that's all you can do. Okay. If you can follow, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with this because I don't know you. Okay. I don't know if you're going to go out and, apply the stuff that I'm showing you how to do. If you go back and watch my previous videos, I'm just showing you step by step on how to do it. So if you follow what I'm showing you, okay, you're gonna learn how to do it and you're gonna make money as well. Okay. I'm not the only one making money with this. There's other people out here doing it as well. Okay. So like I said, I'm someone that comes in, I send out my emails every single night. Okay. I do not miss days. Okay. I don't care if I don't have a computer, I'll do it from my phone, wherever. Okay. I don't care if I'm out at an event or anything. I'll go to the side for 5 to 10 minutes and I'll send these emails. I'll make sure that they go out, right? So that's very important to me that I hold myself accountable to stuff that I actually want. I want to be successful and I want to earn more income for me and myself and my family, all right? So I go out here and I learn things, and I've been learning things for a long time. I paid thousands of dollars for people to teach me stuff, okay? And now I'm able to come back here after making, after trial and error, I'm able to come back here and show you guys just a little bit on how to, just show you guys some stuff on how you can get started making the extra income, all right? So I'm not going to get on a soapbox too much, guys, but I just wanted to throw that out there to you. If you got any questions, go back and watch my previous videos in the series. Like I said, I show you step by step on how to go to ClickBank, grab the offer, copy it over. I mean, I show you all that. So just go back and watch those previous videos, guys. Okay. Let's go over here to ClickBank, clickbank.com. It's a free service to get started. It takes you about 5 minutes to get your account started. But this is my back office, guys. I just wanted to show you. I like doing the last 30 days. That way you can see the algorithm on what it looks like for the past 30 days and what it's been looking like for me for the past 30 days and what it can look like for you if you were to start from day one. Okay. So today is October the 3rd, as you can see. We come down here. This is the algorithm for my ClickBank, one of my ClickBank accounts. Okay, I do have multiple ClickBank accounts because I promote different niches and different products and stuff like that. But for this series, I'm only promoting one ClickBank offer. Okay, to this traffic. Okay, I'm not promoting anything else. I'm promoting ClickBank offers to this traffic. Okay, so this right here, guys, is the algorithm for the last 30 days. Things have been pretty consistent for the most part. We got sales back to back. We've missed a couple days, maybe 2 days. We missed one day right here, one day, 2 days. Right here, we missed 3 days. Other than that, we've been making sales pretty consistent. As you can see, we have two-a-days, these two-a-days right here. This has been the first right here, guys, that we've got 4 sales in a row. Okay, so what that tells me is that we're getting further along into the series, and the more and more we send emails, the more consistent we stay, we're going to start seeing sales back to back. All right. So right here, we went 3 days. This is the first time that I've seen this, that we went 3 days without having a sale. But on that fourth day, we came back and got a sale. We didn't get a sale the next day. We came right here, guys, and got 4 sales in a row again. All right. So what that tells me is that the algorithm is shifting. It's getting ready to change. All right. So that's what I was saying. If you guys looking for extra income, this is going to be it, guys. ClickBank does pay every week. They pay every Friday. So I did get paid today. You can get a check or a direct deposit. Mine, I got it set up to go into my account every Friday. It'll just be sent out to my account. All right. So I just wanted to show that with you guys real quick. I didn't want to make this video super long or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do stuff. Show you the results. Okay. I'm all about showing the results. This is not some fake account. These are real results. Yeah, this is not a whole bunch of money or anything like that, but these are consistent results, and this will turn into something bigger the later we do, the more that we do this. All right. So if you guys want to get started with this system, come down here to the link below this video. Just click on this more tab. Click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page of My Legion Secrets. You come down here, guys. These are tons of testimonials of people making money with the system, making money with My Legion Secrets. I mean, I'm not the only one earning income. There's tons of people doing it. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys that there's other people making money, and I'm not the only one. Or if you go on YouTube, you can literally see other people making money with this system, right? Go right here, guys. Click on this where it says join MLGS now. Click on that. It's a one-time charge of $60 to get your account set up. and then $30 a month. On the next month, you're going to have to start paying $30 a month to keep that service. Okay. Now, what happens when you pay your $30 a month? You're going to get thousands of people coming into your list every single month. Okay. Now, those leads and subscribers stay with you as long as you stay with the program. All right. Take my word for it, guys. I've been paying this $30 for 8 accounts for over 3.5 years. I'm somewhere around that, guys. I haven't been keeping track, but it's a no-brainer because I'm making well over, way over than what I'm putting into it. Okay. You have to invest in something. There's nothing here there's nothing online that you're going to be able to do for free. So if you out here figuring out how to make money online and you see people saying like, hey, it's free to do this and free to do that, they lying to you. Okay. Everything that if you want to make real money, if you want to make some money, and then you want it to be real, not no fake money or anything like that, you're going to have to invest in yourself. Okay. There's nothing free. Okay. So I just wanted to put that out there. Okay. You're going to have to pay for something. All right. So this is your paying for traffic. All right. Now the affiliate networks, you don't have to pay for those. You don't have to pay to go grab those offers. Those are free, but you do have to get some type of traffic from somewhere. You have to pay for something. Okay. Anybody can go on Facebook and just post in a group or post somewhere. Okay. That's not consistent and that's not reliable. Okay. You're going to need a reliable traffic source that's targeted to whatever it is that you're promoting, whether that's health and fitness. You're going to need health and fitness people. Okay. You got to go pay for that stuff. Okay. Or go to groups that have that type of stuff. Okay. But if you want to see sales, you're going to have to go pay for it. All right. This traffic right here, this is make money online traffic. Okay. You have to pay for it. $30 is very inexpensive to get thousands and thousands of people coming onto your list. Okay. So go ahead and get started today. Send me a message and let me know that you got started. I'll send you some bonus emails. That way you can hit the ground running. All right. So I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys and show you these are the results, guys. This is what it looks like. It's pretty consistent. I sent out my emails tonight. We'll come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.